Hello, in this video I want to show you how to calibrate your Razer Viper Ultimate. And to do this we'll need to get the Razer Synapse app. Here on the dashboard you should see your mouse, click on it, inside go for calibration, and now you can calibrate a specific surface for your mouse. So there's a smart tracking, which by default is set by default, and that's the simplest setting. So here you can change the tracking distance, and I would make sure to use between 2 and 1 if you prefer that setting. There's also manual calibration, in which you can add a specific surface for your mouse, and there's all of the Razer mouse pads which are available on the market, and you can get one of these and simply click on it to calibrate it. There's also option to go for a custom one, and here let's use a custom as I don't have any Razer specific mouse pad. Click on start, and now simply follow instructions on your screen. So click left mouse button and move the mouse around your trackpad, mouse pad, and do it in a pattern shown on the screen until it repeats, and then simply click on your left mouse button to stop it, and let's try it again. So there's error, but I think it's because I already added this mouse pad, and that may be causing the problems. You can also use a surface distance when you set your mouse pad. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.